Welcome to 119 Lattice Drive located in sought-after Snowden Bridge. This meticulously maintained, move-in ready home with main level owner's suite and finished lower level is a must-see. You'll love the open concept great room with hardwood floors, gas fireplace, gas cooking, large island, and granite counters perfect for gatherings. The owner's suite is separated from the other bedrooms and features a large walk-in closet, bath with ceramic tile, large shower west/seat, and dual sinks. The finished lower level consists of a family room with a large storage closet as well as two other rooms that could be additional bedrooms, a full bath, and a walkout to the rear semi-fenced yard. The community includes an in-ground pool with a children's area, a covered pavilion with basketball, tennis, and an exercise room, as well as miles of walking trails. There is a newly opened elementary school and a daycare center within the community. You'll be close to everything with easy access to routes.